Hello everyone. Welcome to another new video. In this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 pizza makers in this year. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information with updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Listed number 5. Pronto Stovetop Pizza Oven. A Pizzeria Pronto indoor oven offers an amazingly efficient new way to blazing hot in 15 minutes and cooks a pizza to bubbling perfection in just 6 minutes. Its material is stainless steel, aluminized steel that give it durability. Its pizza drawer accommodates up to a 12-inch pizza in diameter. It is exceptionally light, 14 pounds and 70 pence, and versatile. This oven is intended to work on top of stovetops. There are 2 heating elements up and down, increasing the heating speed and making the food evenly heated. It also has a thermometer for monitoring the temperature while cooking, ensuring you don't burn yourself accidentally. It has auto shut off timer so that you can set different baking times according to different foods. Baking time can be set between 0 to 30 minutes based on crust size, topping and personal set. Timer will shut off after set time point. It heats up to 600 Fahrenheit. That's perfect to cook pizza. It allows 9500 to 15,000 BTU or LPG and or gas range burners. This oven uses foldable cool touch handle to protect your hands from being scalded, and the folding design allows you to use the baking rack better. Its non-slip feet increase the stability of the pizza oven. It is easy to clean. High quality stainless steel oven body, removable baking rack and crumb tray are easy to clean. No matter oil or burnt food can be removed with gentle wipe. Number 4. Pizza Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven. Pizza Outdoor Pizza Oven is lightweight, portable and safe on any surface. Its material is stainless steel that gives it durability. The domed lid is shielded to ensure the top of the pizza bakes thoroughly, and the small vents allow excess moisture to escape to prevent soggy thin and thick crusts. It takes only 15 minutes for the oven to heat up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. It only takes 6 minutes to bake a perfectly crisp thin crust pizza. It offers up to 25 hours of use from a 20-pound propane tank. So you can make approximately 250 pizzas on just one 20-pound propane tank. The pizza oven also comes with a thermometer, 14 inches cordy-right pizza stone, and gas hose so that you can keep an eye on the temperature. This pizza oven is also extremely easy to clean, which is always an advantage. The sturdy steel construction ensures that this pizza oven can withstand years of frequent use. The stainless steel 14,500 BTU burner is capable of providing plenty of heat to thoroughly and evenly bake thin and thick crust pizzas. The rubber-coated metal legs provide plenty of stability on uneven surfaces and also help to protect against burn marks and scratches. Number 3. Wisco 425C001 Digital Pizza Oven. This digitally controlled oven with 2 heat settings designed to do original crust pizzas as well as the ever popular rising dough crust pizzas. This pizza oven is designed to last and features a durable stainless steel construction. The wide 3-inch x 13-inch opening makes it easy to slide almost anything in, with 2 temperature settings, low 350°F to high 450°F. The possibilities of what you can bake are almost endless. It includes long life cal rod heating element. It heats up in minutes and can bake everything from homemade dough and deli pizzas to frozen wings and other items. The digital controls are easy to program and the simple buttons are clearly labeled. The bright screen will clearly display the remaining time. The pizza oven also comes with a convenient handle that can be flipped up for easy carrying. The 4 feet on the bottom not only protect your counters from burns and scratches, it also provides additional stability. The stainless steel is also easy to wipe clean, along with the removable baking tray. Its compact 15-inch x 7.5-inch x 18-inch size fits on most kitchen countertops and also makes storage a breeze. This pizza oven comes with a limited 1-year factory warranty and also backed by a limited warranty. Number 2. Kitchenet CPO 640. It's been designed with the cooking ability of professional brick ovens, but with the accessibility, ease, and size of a portable grill. It is powered by 15,000 BTUs that will bake pizza in as little as 5 minutes. It takes 10 to 15 minutes for the oven to get to the temperature that is right for cooking the pizza point. It can cook a pizza up to 13 inches in diameter. It's easy to make crispy, delicious pizza that is fully baked on the bottom and bubbly hot on top. It works with a 1-pound propane tank, not included, which can be found at hardware and home improvement stores. Kitchen at CPO 600 uses propane as a source of fuel. The oven itself is assembled in less than 10 minutes without needing any tools. Its compact design, weighing less than 40 pounds, with built-in handles makes it ultra portable, with convenient roll-away folding cart for easy portability and upright grilling. Its hinged lid allows easy access, and a surface-mounted thermometer monitors temperature for accurate baking point. The stainless steel inner lid is specially designed to reflect heat down onto the pizza. Its dome shape and reflective surface are designed to cook pizza quickly and perfectly. For best results, preheat and place the cordy right stone in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. It includes 12 inches stainless steel pizza peel, 13 inches cordy right stone. It also provides warming tray, integrated smoker cup and kitchen pizza making guide. Number 1. Presto 03430 Pizzas Plus Rotating Oven. This pizza maker comes in a very simple yet useful design for an increased efficiency. This pizza maker also offers an even cooking result through its rotating tray with top and bottom heating element. Its settings and buttons are placed on the top part, which is so easy to use. It also automatically shut off when the timer is done. The good thing about this pizza maker is its non-stick baking pan, which makes it so easy to use and to clean. This feature will allow you to use this appliance conveniently. To conclude, this Presto pizza maker is good enough both for day-to-day and for gathering uses. From its design to its efficiency and convenience, this kitchen appliance deserves to be part of your choices. Its physical look is a definition of convenience and ease of use at the same time. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a and subscribe to our channel. See more videos like this in the future. And if you any questions related to of products we listed here, leave comment down below and we'll get back to soon as I can.